Hi guys, welcome back to the TechWine. I am Malik. In this video, we are going to learn how to find Eclipse IDE and how to install and configure also. Let's start.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hi guys. In last video, we learned how to install Java JDK in your PC. In this video, we're going to learn how to find Eclipse IDE and install and also configure it. First of all, choose your favorite browser. I'm going to use my favorite browser, Google Chrome. In search bar, I'm going to type Eclipse IDE. Type it. Eclipse IDE. Then press enter. When I talk about Eclipse, Eclipse is the best editor for developing Java programs. It's really helpful. Then you got results like this. Choose downloads here. Eclipse downloads. Then click on this. Okay, wait. Now here is a package, download packages. Click on this and you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developers. We are going to develop Java programs. Then this is one that we going to download. Click on this here, Windows 64-bit. Yes, here Eclipse Java Win32 and 64 zip. Click on this. Download. Yeah, my file is start to download. It takes little time. Just wait for it. Right, my file is downloaded. I'm going to click on this show in folder, and I like to minimize my Chrome and double click on downloaded file. Just open file here. Now you guys carefully follow my steps. Right click on this, going to extract this and yeah, extract files, local disk C, yes. You guys, I recommend that you should extract this into local disk C. It's a path, it's needed. Then click OK, give yes. Yeah, it's done. Then go to local disk C. We can find Eclipse here, this folder Eclipse. Double click on this and we're going to run it by click this one. Error could not open C program files Java JRE Java virtual machine could not open. This is a common error. We can find C program file. I'm going to type this in a notepad. Yes, C program file, program files Java JRE 1.8.0191 and lib, then AMD64 and JVM CFG JVM.cfg Now let's check this file. It's for here. Delete this. Then press enter. We can't find CJVM. Check spellings. Changes C. Then find. What's there? Java launcher could not open. Let's check this. This is the error. This is a common error, so you don't guys, you don't worry, we can solve this. This add close this. And guys, see program files, common files, Oracle, Java, path, J, Java, WEXE. Guys, let's check this path works. Local, see this one. See program files, 86, common files, Oracle, Java, Java path. Where? Close this, and this IDM problem. Let's close this and go to local disk program files, 86, common files, and Oracle. Where's Oracle? Java, Java path. Yeah, Java AXE. Guys, we have to configure our environment variable. In the last video I also configure some environment variable parts. It's not responsible for this, so we have to configure it again. It's for Java, this for Eclipse, so we have to configure it again for install this. Go to system by I'm going to my computer, this PC, and going to properties. In properties, choose advanced system settings. In advanced, choose environment variable, and then there's the path. Edit 86, common file, Java path. Okay, now we have to add this part. It is Java path, Java WEXE. Where's Java WEXE? Now go. Right click on this, properties. Here we can find location, Java path, Java. Here, delete this and new path. Now we delete the path that wrongly configured. After deleting this, I'm going to click OK, and once again OK and OK. After done that, we can run Eclipse once again. Let's go to the place that we installed, local disk C and Eclipse. Run this again. Yeah, we can see Eclipse IDE successfully run on our machine. 2019, this is the new version, guys. Yeah, when we run this first, they ask the place that our programs we're going to save. C user, this is default folder. If you like to change, you can change by clicking browse, but I'm going to let it, and I'm going to launch. take a little time, just wait for it. Yeah, this is Eclipse Marketplace IDE. If you need to develop a new program by using Java, we have to new and go to file and new Java project. This is the place that we have to give a name for our project. My I like to tell you like this for all first letter of the word give a capital word. My like this. In my I give M as capital and first F is capital. First project. Yeah, Java C12. We install it in last video. This is the source file. This is the project name, and inside of this we got source file, and you finish. Model name, my first project. Yes, great. Okay, now my first project is created. Then so it's all in this video. We're going to next video for more my first project. We are make our first program by using Java with Eclipse. Guys, if you find something interesting in my video, smash that thumbs up, smash that click button, give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Malik with TechWine. If you miss my last video, you can view that by clicking the link in the description, and wait for the next video. Stay tuned, we will meet again. Bye for today. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you very much for watching.